Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the blog page section. So in this chapter, I will show you how you can design the blog post and blog page, and how you can find out image for your blog post, and also I will describe everything all about blog post and blog page. So first let's see our blog page. So I just go all page, and from here we have created this page, like the name is blog. So I just view and let's see. Okay, you can see this blog page is totally empty because there hasn't nothing to just created a blog. So you have to understand that without blog post, a blog page is totally unused. So first you have to must create a blog post. So I just go again dashboard, and from here post and all post, and this is the function for create a blog post. So you can see a one default blog post is hello world. So you can understand this site has a one blog post, but we cannot find this blog post. So why? Because we didn't select any page which page we are showing the blog post. So I simply go setting, and from here reading. Okay, so before we are set the home page, so now I have to set the blog page from here. So I simply set blog page post page as this our blog page. Okay, so now you can see another function, blog page show at the most. That means how many posts will be show on one page. Also some function for syndication, and for each post feed include full text or accept, and search engine visibility. So I simply save change and let's see. Okay, and simply reload. You can see one blog post is appearing on our blog page. So I just go the blog page, the post, and let's see. You can see this is the default blog post. There has no image as well. So let's going to create a new blog post for this site. So from here, so I just go post and add new, because I want to create a new blog post. Okay, so I simply close these pop-ups, and you can see this is the function for create a blog post. So I already collected a blog post, so you can write your own blog post. So I simply going to copy the title from here. So suppose this is the title, so I want to use this title, so simply copy this title and simply paste. Okay, and simply published and published. So now let's introduce with some functions. So if you want to a modern blog post with modern function, you have to use DP builder, and if you want just a normal blog post, you can use the default editor. So you cannot find many way to design your blog post using the default editor, so I just going with the DP builder. So before going with DP builder, let's introduce with some function. So you can see in right side in here one function is settings. So when I select here, you can see first one is post. So there has nothing, so you can change your date from here, which time are you want to show on your blog post time. And also if you want to schedule your blog post, you have to must put a advanced date from here. Suppose right now is the date is 5 October, so I want to publish this blog post in 7 October. So if I delete the 7 October and simply update, it will be automatically posted on 7 October. So simply minimize this thing, so I know it because I want to publish is right now. And another function you can see is stick on top of the blog. So if you want to this blog post will be always stick on top, you can select this one. And another thing you can see permalink. That means after link which you can see swebjx.com after wp admin, so which link will be after this .com / our domain. So you can select from here. Okay, you can see the link will be like this. Okay, so if you want, you can also change this thing. So suppose I just simply write here how to clean your house. So you can see the link is reduced, and it's a very small link. So if you want, you can make your own link. So my recommended you should use your focus keyword on your URL flag. Okay, so let's see another one. So another one, you can see category. So there has only one category, uncategorized. So if you want to categorize on your blog post, you have to must create a category. So suppose I simply write here home cleaning, okay, and I want to another category, right, like cloth cleaning, and I want to another one like cleaning tips, okay. So you can use many more category from here. So now I want to make this post for the cleaning tips, so I simply select the cleaning tips from here, okay. So you can see, and another function is tag. So if you have any tag you can use here. So another one is feature image. It's a very important thing. So how do you can change your feature image? Let's see. So first, before change the feature image, let's introduce with some way for use feature image. So if you use feature image on your blog post and it has a copyright claim and the image owner report to your hosting provider, they can delete your blog post and can warn you. So you must have to use your own image. It's better. And if you don't have any image, you can search on Google. Suppose you need cleaning, okay, simply right here and go image, and you have to must find out the non-copyright image. So I simply go go tools, and from here usage right, you have to must select Creative Commons license, okay, and you will be find this image. So most of the time you cannot find your perfect desired image from here because there has a not professional and another one is not perfect. So now I want to introduce with the 5 most copyright free image website. You can use their website for your website image. So if you don't have, you can collect image from here and use it. So you can see pixels.com. So I just go there and let's see. Yeah, Pixel is a very popular website for collecting images. You can see a lot of images appearing here. So if you want, you can search the box. Suppose I need a cleaning image because my website is related to cleaning. So you can see cleaning related image is showing on front of my screen. So let's introduce with another site. You can see another one is Unsplash. The all site is similar. So go Unsplash. So you can save all the link from here. Another one Pixpay, burstshopify.com and freeimage.com and kabobpix.com. So you can save all the link on your memory. It could be your phone memory or computer memory or your brain memory or your notepad. And also you can use their image without any hassle and without any tension because they provide a copyright free image. So I just going to download a image, suppose this one, okay. So you can see one function for free download, okay, simply download and save. And another thing, you can see the image size is 3 MB, almost 4 MB. So it's a very big image. So if you directly use this image, your website will be slowed down. So must you have to reduce the image size. So how do you can reduce the image size? Let's see. So first you just go to Google, and from here you have to go Pixlr, okay. So pixlr.com is in here. So I need the advanced Photoshop editor Pixlr E. So I just go with Pixlr E. So now I have to open the image. So this image we had downloaded this sometimes ago. So open. Alright, so now I have to create a new size. So I just simply make the size 1200 and apply. Okay, the image is loaded successfully. So now I have to crop. So I simply write here crop, and I just simply write the width. This will be 1200 and the height will be 628. It's ideal image size for your WordPress feature image thumbnail. So if you want, you can use multiple size. So this is the ideal size. Most of the people use this size. So I simply crop, okay, and simply enter. So now I have to save it. So I simply go save as. So now you can see the file size is now 204 kilobytes. That was almost 4 MB. So I want to reduce more, so I just make it middle, and I just keep it between 100 to 150. You can see, yeah, 108 kilobyte. So I simply download and save. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, you can see this image. Okay, and this image was before were downloaded, and it's a very bigger image. The size was almost 4 MB, and it's a very lighter image. The size we are reduced by 109 kilobyte. So, and another thing, you must trying to change the image name as your blog post title. That's, and also your title must be trying to use your focus keyword. That will be help you for ranking. So I simply copy the title and simply paste here. Okay, so I simply going again the set feature image, and I just upload this image. Okay, and let's see, download, and this image. Okay, so simply open and set this feature image and update again. Alright, it is updated successfully, and let's see how it's look like. Yeah, you can see the second block is appearing here, but we didn't write any post, so I just go there and you can see it's a blank, just only the title and image. So let's introduce with more thing. So when I come back, and you can see another function for excerpt. So you can also, it's a total optional, so no need to do something in here. Also discussion, that means if you want your website visitor will become and comment, and you can allow your comment for this particular other blog post, and if you want you can disable from here. So you can see update, and let's see, you can see the comment will be disabled. You can see there the post has a no comment. Alright, so let's see another one, DB page settings. So it's a right sidebar. You can see this has a right sidebar. So if you want you can make it left sidebar, and if you want you can make it no sidebar as well. So I just make it right side as a default, and if you want navigation you can change from here. Is a function for on off. And another thing, you can see post title. So if you want to the post title will be show or not, you can change from here. So this is the all setting in here. So I simply update again, and now I want to design this blog post. So simply use the DB builder. Okay, I just use this DB builder for design this blog post and write the blog post. Okay, DB builder is ready to work. So now I want to build from scratch. Okay, so you can see your title and this feature image. So now I have to create a new row, so I simply go with one row. So now I need text, so I simply write here. So I simply call the text module from here, text. Okay, so now I have to put my text, so simply I copy all the text from here. Okay, and simply paste. So now let's understand how you can make this page post more professional. Suppose you want to use another image on your post as well. So suppose you want to use another image on here, so you have to first cut this text. Okay, you can see, sorry, you have to cut this post from here, cut. So now save, and now I need a image module. Okay, so I simply write here image. Okay, now I have to put this image, which image I want. So I just going to upload a new image, site file, suppose this image. Okay, or this image, open and upload this image, and you can see the image is showing here. So if you want you can change the designing from here, like size, alignment. So suppose if you want make it more wider, you can change the width from here. You can see it's more smaller. Okay, so I simply save. And so now I want to put the other text that we are cut from here, so I simply go there, and again I need the text module. Okay, and simply paste. You can see, yeah, it's working nicely. So if you want, you can use multiple image in here. So not only image, you can see DB has a lot of thing in here, and also if you want, you can use video on your post. Suppose I simply write here, and simply I need the video module, so I simply write the video and I just call this module. Okay, so now I have to change this default video, so I simply delete this video first and add video, and from here you can see one function for insert from URL, so I simply click here. So now this DB is support YouTube videos, so you can use YouTube video as well. So suppose I want to use this video, so suppose I simply copy this link. Okay, and simply paste here and insert into post. Okay, you can see the video is show on our post. So not only video, you can put many things like button. So if you want, you can use button also. Before I teach you how to, you can design the button. So everything you can find from here, like we are designing a page with the DB tools. So hope you guys will understand. So I simply delete this thing and also this thing, and simply save, and let's see. Okay, the save is successfully done. So I just simply reload the site and let's see. Yeah, you can see the post is created successfully. So hope you guys will understand how to you can create a blog post. So also you can see another thing on button side, there has a archive and category. So if you don't want this thing, you can change from here. And also you can see another thing, the default footer is gone from here, so let's fix it. So I just simply go dashboard, and from here DB, and from here the theme builder. So now I have to create a new theme for post page. So I simply going to add new template. So now I need a template for all posts, so I simply write here all post and create template. Okay, and now I need to add custom body, so I simply click here and build custom body. Okay, build from scratch, so start building. So now I have to design it. Suppose I select this structure. Okay, and simply call the module is a post title, so I simply write here post title. You can see this one post title. Yeah, post title is appearing here, so I simply save, and let's see. Again save, and also I have to close this one, and again save since. Again we will design it, so let's see it's working or not. So simply reload our post, and you can see, yeah, it's working perfectly, and only the title and the feature image. So let's design it some more. So again go custom body for design it, and again I need another module, and again write here post, and I need the post content. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I simply save, and let's see. Again reload. You can see, yeah, post content is also appearing here. So now I want right sidebar, so you can click here and simply write here sidebar. Okay, you can see the sidebar is also appearing here. So if you want, you can modify it from here. And let's see how to you can add and remove sidebar content. So I again go dashboard, and from here appearance and widget. Okay, and on widget you can see one function for sidebar, so I simply click here, and you can see the search option and recent post and comment, and also you can see the search option, recent post and recent comment. So let's make it a more customizable. So I simply click here, browse all. Suppose I want to put here category, so I simply drag here and drop here. Okay, You can see the category is putting in here. So simply update, and let's give me reload. So it's not working because I have to save first from here. Also I have to reload in here, and let's see. Yeah, you can see the category is coming here. So that category title is missing, so I have to write the title in here. So I simply click here, and I need paragraph, so I simply write here. Suppose I simply copy and write here, and I have to make it for heading too. So right now it's paragraph, so I just make it heading. Okay, so I simply write here categories. Okay, so I have to delete this one. Alright, so again update, and let's see. Okay, yeah, you can see there has a lot of space, so I have to delete this one. So I just simply delete this block, and I want to put in here, suppose right here, categories. Okay, update, and let's see it's working or not. Again reload. Yeah, it's working nicely. So you can see show on the current category, so this one. So when user tap here, the all category page, all category related posts on will be appearing. So let's introduce with another thing. So if you want to use more widget, you can select from here. You can find many things like gallery, list, and also has a many thing in here, code table, many thing you can use from here. Also has a social icon as well. Even you can use calendar or what you want. So let's delete this footer option, this one. So I simply come here, the widget page, and from here the footer one. So I simply click here, you can see this one. So I simply delete this block. Also I just delete this block as well. Also I no need this block, so remove block, and also this one remove block, and simply update, and let's see. Okay, and reload. Yeah, you can see the footer one is gone. So you can see this is the default footer. So let's change this thing. So again go theme builder, and from here I just simply close this pop-up. Okay, and now I have to add a custom footer. So I simply select here, and I want to copy from my template, so all page select and simply save, and let's see it's working or not. Okay, and simply reload. Yeah, our footer is successfully working. So hope you guys understand how you can design a blog post, and how you can write a blog post, and how you can find a copyright free image, and how to modify it. It's like professional. So let's go blog post, and so now I want to show you how you can design this blog post. So before we are design this only one blog post. So now I want to design the blog page, not blog post. So for that I need to create more blog post. So I just want to going to create more blog posts. So again go post, and from here all post. So right now I don't need this default post, so I simply delete this post, and now I want to create more blog posts. So right now you can see it's a very time consuming matter. If I design, create, finding image, it's a very long time. So I want to duplicate it's more times. For that I need a plugin. The plugin name is duplicator. So I simply go plugin and add new, and simply right here duplicator. Okay, you can see this plugin is post duplicator. So I simply install this plugin, and again I have to go again post page, post option and all post, and you can see one function for in here, and maybe we did not active this plugin. So again, go plugin, install it plugin, and let's see what we will do. Yeah, we are somehow missing to active this plugin. So, and another thing, you can see our default WordPress has a lot of plugins, so no need the all plugins. So I just keep the post duplicator, and other plugin I simply delete. Okay, and okay. Yeah, so now I just simply active this plugin. Okay, again, post and all post, and simply, and you can see one function for duplicate post. So I simply duplicate this one, it will be another one. Okay, again, duplicate this one. So I just want to duplicate its more time. So I simply again duplicate. Okay, we are duplicated it 1 2 3 4 5 times. So now let's reload my site, and let's see on blog section. Yeah, you can see our all the blog post is appearing here. So we are duplicate the same blog post. For that, the all blog post is similar. So also you can see the recent post, the all blog post. So now I just going to change this all title and the feature image. That will be help to see the blog page difference. So I simply go post and simply go the second one, edit, and simply write here. Suppose I want to dummy text because it's a time consuming matter. So I just go there and write here dummy text. Okay, and I simply copy the title, paste, also change the flag and change the category to cloth cleaning, and change this image. So I don't going to other image, so I just want to use our last image that we are uploaded before. Okay, set a feature image, update, again come back, and the third one, edit, change the title. So I simply copy this dummy title, again change the category and simply change the image, set feature image, update, come back, go fourth one, edit, change the title, change the feature image, change the category, so and update, again come back, change the title, change the feature image, update, and again come back and go with last one, edit, trying to another title. Okay, change the feature image, set feature image, and again update, come back and simply reload, and let's see. Yeah, everything is changed. So again go blog page and reload. Okay, you can see we have created more blog post. So when I go there, yeah, it's working as well. So now let's design this blog page. So you can see there has a no function for enable the visual builder. So how you can design this blog page, right? So if you want to really design this blog page, you have to must disable your post setting from section to reading. So I just go post, and from here go setting and reading. And if you don't unselect the post page from here, the DB builder is not working in here. So I simply click here and simply select and simply save change. Okay, and simply reload, and you can see the DB builder will be appearing here. You can see the DB builder is right now is appearing here. So let's design this blog page. So I simply enable the visual builder. So I want to build from scratch, so I start building. So now I need the section, so I just going to contact page and I want to copy this section and enable the visual builder. Okay, and simply copy this section and paste here, and I don't need this section, so I simply delete. And now I want to change this image, so I simply write here. So I just go to pixels.com for copyright free image that I show you before. So I simply write here writer. Okay, so I need, suppose I need this one, and free download. Again save. Okay, the image size is very large, so let's reduce the image size. So I again go pixlr.com, advanced editing, and I have to open this image. Okay, this image, open, and simply make it 1000, apply. Now I have to save, so simply go here, save as. So I want to, I think it's okay, the size is 143 kilobytes, so simply download, save. Okay, the file is downloaded. So I simply go again, come back blog page, and from here section setting, design, content, background, image option. From here I just simply upload this image. Okay, go again download, and from here select this image. So before you select this image, let's checking the size. Yeah, this one is a 1 MB plus, almost 2 MB, so not this one. So and let's check this one. Yeah, this one 144 kilobytes. So simply select one and open. Okay, upload this image and save. So now I want to change the module setting. So go the module setting, and from here just write here our blog post. Okay, and change the button right here, read more. So again save, and now I have to reduce the padding top and padding bottom. So I go to module setting, and from here design and spacing, and simply write here 7. Yeah, it's okay. So now I need another section, so I simply click here, and I need a regular section, so go with single row. Okay, so you can see one function for blog. So I simply click here, and you can see our blog post is appearing here. So it's a very messy, it's not looking good. So let's design it like professional. So go design, layout, and it's a full width, so I just simply make grid. Okay, and let's see what's happened. Yeah, you can see it's now alignment is nicely, and it's really looking very cool. So now let's introduce with some functions. So go content. Okay, so first is content. So in here, how many posts are you want to show in your blog page? You can select from here. After reach this post, the next and previous button will be show. Another thing, include categories. So which category are you want to show this blog post? Suppose if you want to just show in cloth category or cleaning tips that we are created this category before, you can select from here. Suppose I want to only show home category, home cleaning. So I simply click here, you can see only home cleaning post will be appearing here. So I want all category, so I select here all category. And another one, you can see date format. So you can see date format. So which kind of date format are you want, you can select from here, and show excerpt. So you can see in here post excerpt. So if you don't want this blog post some content will be not appearing here, you can disable this thing, and you can see when I disable, not is happen because I have to put a value of length. So I just make it 0. Okay, and you can see it's totally gone. Okay, so element, to go element, so you can see there's a lot of functions. So you can see there has no function for read more. So if you want, you can enable this thing, and you can see the read more button will be comes here. So my WordPress admin, you can see when I go dashboard and go setting and go user and all users, so my right now is my name is root. So if you want, you can change your name from here. So I didn't write my name, so I simply write here FJX. So FJX is my name. Okay, so simply update profile, and you can see it's show by root. So which one is write this post? So again save, and let's see it's change it or not. Again reload this page. You can see it didn't change, but why? Because we didn't set our name. So I again come back in here, and from here you can see one function, send function for display name public as. That means which name the public will be shown. So I simply it's a root, it's a username. So I see here, so FJX, yeah, also has a function for first name last name as well. Okay, so I simply save, update this profile, and you can reload, and let's see what's happened. Okay, I think it will be changed. I am 100% sure. Yeah, you can see the name is changed as well. So I go module setting, and let's introduce with some functions. So go elements. So some before we are show the read more button. So if you don't want the date, you can disable this thing, and you can see the date will be hide. Yeah, this is hide. So if you don't want the category, you can also disable from here. So hope you guys understand how it's work. So also for the design, so if you go design it, you can make it, you can design it. Suppose I just going to change the text of the read more. So read more text, and I want to use the text is like Ubuntu. Okay, you can see the text is changed. So I want to change the read more text color. So I simply select here yellow. You can see the color is changed. Everything you can change from here, what you want, everything in here. So if you want, you can increase, reduce the read more, not only read more, everything you can change from here. So let's introduce with another thing. Suppose I want to use box shadow. So I simply click here and simply select this one. You can see, yeah, nice box shadow. This one is not look perfect, so I think this one is perfect. Yeah, it's a very nice. Also has some function. Suppose you can also select an animation for this blog post as well. Okay, so I simply save, and again save, and let's see. So I can come back my site and go blog page. Okay, yeah, we are successfully created this blog page. So hope you guys understand how to I design the blog post and blog page, and how to customize it in my way. So next chapter I will make this website mobile and tablet friendly, because it's right now is I make this website on my desktop. It's a big screen, so I don't know when we will browse this website on a small screen what will be happen. So we have to optimize for a small screen as well. So next chapter we will learn how to you can optimize your website, and actually this DB builder is automatically optimize it for mobile and tablet. So if you have any problem, I will show you how to you can fix on responsive times. So thanks for watching. See you with you in next chapter.